The Kirkland Oven-Browned Turkey Breast from Costco. I'm going to show you how to cook it, slice it, serve it, and let you know if it's any good. Let's go. So one of the great things about this turkey breast is that it's already fully cooked. So we're not really cooking it, we're just heating it back up. And that means you can't possibly mess this up. To heat this thing up, we're going to just follow the instructions on the back of the label. We're going to take it out of the plastic. Put it in a shallow pan with a ½ cup of water. We're going to tightly cover it in foil and put it in a 350-degree oven for about an hour until it reaches an internal temperature of about 140 degrees. It's been an hour, we're out of the oven, this is looking good, it's time to get it sliced up. The first thing I got to do is pour off the extra water because there's a bunch in here, so let's get that taken care of. That is a lot more water than I put in to start with. And let's get this turkey breast out of the pan. It's hot, hot. Okay, we got two ways of slicing this. The packaging says for sandwiches to slice it the short way, and for the entree serving to slice it this way. I think that's really just presentation purposes, but let's give it a slice, see what she looks like on the inside. I'm going to start with some short cuts and then move to some long cuts. Really helps to have a nice carving knife. This 14-inch slicer I've got from Mercer is delightful. All right, let's check this out. That is juicy. Let's go the other way and slice the entree size portion. Oh, that's pretty. There we go. Oh, come on now. One more, just for fun. Now, either way you slice this, it's going to be fine, but let me give you a little tip here. So here they are side by side. This is cutting from the end, the short pieces, and this is cutting from the side, the entree size pieces. And other than the size, there actually is a big difference between them. You look at this guy, and this is the part from slicing it the short way. It's actually going with the grain. And it's still a nice tender piece of meat, but if you go the other way, the long way, you're going against the grain, and the turkey's going to be much, much more tender. So just look at this. See how easy that pulls apart? That's just because you're going against the grain, as opposed to this cut where you're going with the grain. And you see how it's split there? It's split with the grain. So again, either way is going to be fine, but going the long way is going to get you a more tender piece of meat. So let's talk about serving this turkey. Each of these turkey breasts weigh a little over 4 pounds. So if you serve a ½ pound of turkey per guest, that lets you easily serve 8 people. Now, if you want to be generous and serve about 2/3 of a pound of turkey per guest, that means you can feed 6 people. So ballpark 4 to 6 people serving this turkey breast is no problem. You're going to be fine. Let me give you a look at what a ½ pound serving of this turkey looks like on a regular sized dinner plate. And then I'll show you what 2/3 of a pound looks like, just so you have a reference point and you can figure out how much turkey you want to serve per guest. So here's a ½ pound that I weighed up on my scale here. You see you get 5 generous slices. Just a piece of white bread there for scale, help you get a reference for that. But that is a nice portion for a little Thanksgiving feast, and a ½ pound is great. But if you want to just go crazy, I'll show you what 2/3 of a pound looks like. So if you want to feed a huge portion, you get an extra slice that gets you up to 2/3 of a pound. This will let you feed 6 people per turkey breast. And again, that's just a massive portion of food in here. There's a lot of meat on these turkey breasts. They're huge. Again, this will easily feed 6 people with a massive portion size. Yeah, it's a good bargain. It's a good deal. So a big question is, of course, how does it taste? Well, it tastes delightful. It's juicy, well seasoned. It tastes like a turkey breast. Serve this with a little bit of gravy, cranberry sauce. It's going to be delicious. But that does bring us to the one downside of this turkey breast. And that's because of the way it's cooked. You don't have any drippings to make any gravy. So you're going to need something like this, a store-bought gravy, which not my favorite, but what are you going to do here? Costco does carry a really good turkey gravy. It's a prepared turkey gravy from Kevin's. Grab it fast, grab it early. Once these things are gone, they are gone. They usually sell out pretty fast at Costco. So you can find some of that Kevin's turkey gravy, go ahead and get it. It'll go great with this. So there you go. Everything you need to know about the Kirkland Oven-Browned Turkey Breast. If you found this useful, please consider subscribing. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subs. You would help me out a lot. I'd really appreciate it. In the meantime, thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Take care. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.